which is 125 million. Ilan mo ba security guard yung tumulong sa inyo?
Nung nilagay ko po ang pera sa bag, dalawa pong security guard ng Land Bank po.
Land Bank, Show Boulevard. Tanong, Miss Acosta, hindi po ba kayo natakot magbitbit na ganito kalaking halaga na pera? Considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo. Remember, you're covered by Fidelity Fund, bond. And one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money. Bukod po ba kay Mr. Antonio, sino ba po ba kasama niyo sa sasakyan?
Driver po.
So there were 3 of you only.
Dalawa po sa sasakyan, ma'am.
2 drivers?
Opo, isa po ang nag-drive sa akin, isang sasakyan. Tapos isang sasakyan po ang sinasakyan ni Asi Antonio.
And were you seated? So you mean you are seated on different cars?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung isang sasakyan, ang kasama niyo po yung driver lang, and the other car, Mr. Antonio, and the driver.
Yes, ma'am.
Balikan ko po yung question ko, Ms. Acosta. Hindi po ba kayo natakot, ninervyos, nag-alala? This is 125 million.
Natakot po, ma'am. Kaya nagpasama po ako kay Asi Antonio.
And do you believe that Asik Antonio has the capability to secure not just you, but even the 125 million?
I believe po kasi lalaki na lang po siya kaysa babae ang kasama ko. Nandito po kami na.
Yeah, usually, ang mga hold-uppers po, may mga barel. Tama po ba? Si Mr. Antonio po ba? Does he have a firearm also?
Hindi ko po alam na kung may dala siyang baril.
Then what gives you the confidence na pagkasama niyo si Asik Antonio, okay na kayo?
At least dalawang sasakyan po, ma'am. Iwalay. At least kung maano man, ma-hold up man, meron pang isa. Yan po ang nailagay sa isip ko, ma'am.
So, ibig sabihin, ma'am, during the time that you were cashing the check, you are entertaining the possibility na baka kayo ma-hold up. That's why you said, kung ma-hold up man yung isa, may tirang isa. Do you confirm that?
Yes, ma'am. Yan po ang nasa isip.
Miss Acosta, kung gano'n naman pala, na iniisip nyo na yung possibility of hold up, bakit hindi po kayo nagsama ng mga taong makakatulong nyo to secure the huge amount of money? Kayo po ba ilan sa OVP? Wala po ba security guard doon or security officers? Or perhaps the member of the security team of our Vice President who could have helped you secure this huge amount of money?
Meron naman po kami security, ma'am. Pag dating natin sa office, nakaabang na po ako. Kung sino po yung in charge o sino po yung naka-duty na PSPG po, ma'am.
But of course, you will agree with me that the danger lies not only at the entrance, not only at the back, but in the entire thoroughfare leading to your office of the OVP. Tama po ba?
Yes po, pero
Balikan ko po yung tanong ko kanina, Miss Acosta. Ang sabi niyo po kanina, iniisip niyo na habang nag-encash, kung ma-hold up yung isa, may tira pang isa. Bakit hindi po kayo nagdala ng security to help you secure the huge amount of money and even your life, Miss Acosta? Of course, we're watching news, di ba? Cellphone lang, namamatay na. Small amount of money lang, namamatay na. How much more this 125 million pesos, which apparently do not belong to you, but belong to the government?
kasi ang driver po namin, ma'am, ay member po siya ng BPSPG.
The driver is a member of the VP
SPG.
SPG, and you believe that being accompanied by that driver is enough for you to secure that money?
At that time, yan po ang...
Yun po ay iniisip niyo.
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. Kanina po nabanggit nyo, tinutulungan kayo ng mga security guard.
Opo,
In
ma'am.
what sense? Ano pong tulong ang ibinibigay sa inyo ng mga security guard na tanda?
Pag ano po, pag ang pera na sa land bank na, pag karga po from land bank po sa sakyan, sila po ang
Ang tulong po nila sa inyo ay para lang sa pagkakarga ng pera
Yes.
from the teller's counter papunta sa sasakyan.
Opo, ma'am.
Naalala niyo po ba kung sino yung mga security guard na ito?
Hindi ko maalala, ma'am.
Do we have representative from Land Bank here?
Yes, they're present. May we invite the representative of Land Bank to please take a seat in front.
Mr. Chair, I wish to direct my question to Land Bank. Kasama po ba natin yung teller na nag-assist kay Miss Acosta? And I assume that...
Mr. Chair, pag-vote na ba sila?
May yata tayong mga resource persons sa bago. Maybe we can request that they take their own, Mr. Chair.